In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all your saved videos on TikTok at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up TikTok app. After that, tap right here to go to your profile. Then hit right here at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Now guys, here we need to scroll down until we find Report a Problem. On the next step, tap Add Account and Profile to expand it, and down below select Profile Page. Then select Other, and on the next step scroll down and tap Add Need More Help. After that, you will be taken to the screen that looks like that, and here you need to tap at this message box, and now we need to briefly explain our problem we are actually facing. Here we can just enter something like, I want to unsave all my posts on TikTok. Please help me with that. And once you've done that, just hit right here at this button to send this report, and within 24 hours TikTok support team should help you with that. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.